What a wonderful story.
Yeah.
That's a lot of Christmas shopping.
That is.
All those kids, 8 kids. Well, cold, and it's going to be this way for a while, huh?
It is going to stick around for a little bit. It's going to finally feel more seasonable now, I guess you could say. Temperatures fairly chilly out right now. We also have some wind to deal with. All those early morning shoppers, make sure to take your coat. You will need it. Notice how much that camera is bouncing around on our 360 tower camera. We have a lot of wind this evening. A breeze pretty steady, anywhere between 5, 15, sometimes up to 20 miles an hour out there. And this will continue for the next couple of hours here through much of the overnight. There's a live look right now at your Memorial Stadium and the UT Tower there as well. Temperatures over the past 24 hours have seen quite a change. We are 29 degrees cooler tonight at this hour than we were last night at this time. 28 degrees cooler tonight in Georgetown, 31 degrees cooler in Burnet this evening. So you can see just how strong that cold front was that has made its way through central Texas earlier today. Current temperatures right now in the 40s almost everywhere except San Saba Meson's already in the upper 30s there. Cloud cover starting to erode a little bit in the hill country. That's why their temperature is slightly cooler. They've also had a couple more hours of colder air than we have here in the metro area and along our eastern counties. Right now 45 in Georgetown, 45 in Bastrop, 46 currently in San Marcos. It's also 46 here in town at Camp Mabry, 47 out at the airport. Overcast skies still in both places. Dew points dropping even more just from last hour down into the low 20s. So drier air continues to filter in here into central Texas, and that means slowly our skies will begin to clear through the overnight hours. Winds, though, still breezy out of the airport, 22 miles an hour there, 10 miles an hour out of ABIA. We'll gradually see this die down a little bit as we go through the day tomorrow. Right now, temperatures across the state, you can see finally the front making it to the coast where Houston at 50 degrees, 56 in Corpus Christi. On the back side of that front, even further to our north and west, it's already 33 in Abilene and 20 degrees right now in Amarillo, much cooler there. Across the state, we've seen that cold front roll through with a lot of cloud cover and a few showers, not a widespread rain event by any means. We didn't even see any wet weather here in Austin, but to our eastern counties, a few showers developed right along that front now all along the coast. And this whole system is very large. A strong area of low pressure well up to our north over Michigan, bringing this whole area of showers and thunderstorms to the east, even a few areas of some light snow on the backside of that front across places in Missouri and Illinois today. Now, this upper level low pressure system that's pushing that surface front to our east will finally move out all the way through Saturday, but we'll continue to have that northerly flow here in Texas. So cooler conditions are going to stick around, and early Saturday morning will actually be even cooler than the temperatures we're expecting here tonight, mainly due to the fact that the winds are going to be calmer and our skies are finally starting to clear a little bit. So we're expecting a widespread freeze here in central Texas. There's already a freeze warning in effect for Saturday morning here across much of the Texas area. Storm forecast shows that as we go through the first part of next week, we have our next area of low pressure developing by Monday. Late Monday, it's going to push a cold front, another cold front through Texas. So while temperature is Sunday, Monday, pretty normal, we're actually going to drop again as we go through the middle of next week. After that, skies clear out again. We're going to see temperatures back into the 60s. Tonight, we'll see temperatures in the hill country, upper 20s and low 30s, low to mid 30s in the metro area and along our eastern counties. For tomorrow, highs will top out in the mid to upper 50s across the board. Tonight in Austin, 35 degrees, still breezy with mostly cloudy skies for much of the overnight hours, but skies begin to clear much more rapidly tomorrow. 57 for your afternoon high with a light north wind. And here's your 7-day forecast. We have temperatures on early Saturday below the freezing mark across much of central Texas, so expect a freeze for Saturday morning, but by the afternoon, temperatures a little bit better on Sunday. Also a cool start to the day, but nice afternoon. A small chance of rain on Monday. Then that cold front rolls in and drops temperatures back down into the 60s for the middle of next week. And of course, we will have your forecast bright and early for you with an update through the morning hours. You can check us out on Austin News Today beginning at 5 a.m.